Hi, welcome back to the bench, and as you can see today we have a Fostex R8 reel-to-reel tape machine, and I literally just got it on the bench, and I've noticed that it's missing a little cap off the first take-up pulley. So the idea today is to see if we can fashion a new one from a Plectrum. I can use this one, I don't know if we can see, as a template. Just probably easier with a bigger file. So I'm just going to give the tape path a clean with isopropyl alcohol, everything except the pinch roller. I'm just going to take this cap off just to make sure there's nothing else lurking inside, and that'll give me good access to the tape heads. This is missing a screw. And we'll just give the heads a gentle wipe with alcohol. They're looking fairly good condition though. And we'll just give the whole front a clean whilst we're at it. So this is the tape that we have with the machine. Is there a date on here? 1994. And it's still tailed out. Now what that means is the tape is at the end of the reel. So normally it would go on this way, but we just have to stick it on this way and rewind it to the beginning. Notice obviously it's missing its pitch control knob. The only thing I've got that remotely fits this is old Yamaha 01V knob, so give that a go. It's got a D shaft, the same as in the controller. Just give this a bit of a clean. So not ideal, but at least gives you something to hold on to.
Thanks, bridesmaid, like the beard. Gives me something to hang on to.
Okay, before we go on, now I've taken the tape and put it onto that reel, I can see there's like some mould or something inside that tape, so I'm just going to give that a bit of a clean. It's going to be quite difficult to see on camera, but Okay, so that doesn't work. Okay, so there's no drive. This is not spinning round. I'm hoping we're not going to find a snapped drive belt. No, the drive belt looks okay. Aha. This has come off. That's the trouble with these plastic parts. Yep. There's like a hairline crack in the shaft. So I've just used some super glue and a vise to try and just join this crack a bit. Okay, what I'm going to do is not for the faint-hearted. This is not a long-term solution, but should get a few hours extra play on it. There's a guy on eBay that sells these out of machined metal, about £32. But for now, we'll take the free option and just put a little bit of extra on the end here to stop it from coming off, hopefully. Okay, so this has been on soak tests for the last couple of hours and everything's been okay. However, you can see how much tape has come off this, so I'm going to have to give the whole thing a bit of a take path of clean again. Look at that, and I don't think you should use that tape. But apart from that, she's good to go. Just one more thing before we go. This looks like it's missing a grommet, so I'd like to try and secure this really. I've added a cable tie so it can't be pulled out. What I'm thinking is just maybe super gluing a piece of plastic across here just to stop any movement that way. So find a nice stiff plectrum. And I just added another cable tie on the other side. It's a bit crude, but it will hold it in place.